Hello, welcome to Web Excel SheetLify. Now let me learn how to create 3D slider in MS Excel spreadsheet. First, we open SheetLify web page. Click on hamburger menu. Select first tab, that is Web Excel files. Here there are 6 downloadable Excel files. Now we are downloading slider file. Slider file has been downloaded to the download folder. Next, open Excel file. Here in Excel file, you can see the slider code. Here it is 3D rotating slider, pure CSS and other details with some image URLs. Now go to SheetLify. Select Web Excel file. Upload the slider file. Choose file. 3D slider file. You can see the slider file here. This is rotating slider. Now you can change the title from rotating to revolving. Go to Excel. Change it as revolving. Then save. Refresh the SheetLify. Go to menu. Select Web Excel file. Upload just updated Excel file. Now it has been changed from rotating to revolving. Like this, when you change the content in your Excel file, it reflects that and updates in SheetLify web page. For downloading free SheetLify web Excel link, click on SheetLify link provided in description box. Thank you.